Join me as I dive deep into the world of Bbai stock and see if I can figure out whether it's a smart investment for 2025. Bbai stock has been on the radar of many investors, and for good reason. The company has shown promising growth in recent years, but with the ever-changing market landscape, it's essential to take a closer look at its potential. As we head into 2025, many investors are wondering if Bbai stock is a good investment opportunity. Bbai stock has faced some challenges in the recent past. Market volatility has been a significant concern, with the stock experiencing some significant fluctuations in value. The company also faces stiff competition in its industry, which could impact its growth prospects. Additionally, Bai's recent financial results have been somewhat underwhelming, with some investors expressing concerns about the company's ability to meet its financial targets. These challenges have led some to question whether Bbai stock is a reliable investment. The company operates in a rapidly evolving industry, and trends are shifting quickly. One of the key factors that could influence Bbai stock in 2025 is the company's ability to adapt to these trends. Bbai has been investing heavily in research and development, which could pay off in the long run. However, economic conditions also play a crucial role in the stock's performance. A downturn in the economy could impact Bai's growth prospects, while a strong economy could boost its stock price. Industry trends, company strategy, and economic conditions will all be critical in determining Bbai stock's potential in 2025. Another critical factor to consider is how Bbai stock compares to its competitors. The company faces stiff competition from established players, but it also has some unique strengths that set it apart. One key insight is that Bai's focus on innovation could give it an edge over its competitors. If the company can continue to innovate and adapt to changing market trends, it could be well positioned for growth in 2025. However, it's essential to keep in mind that the stock market is inherently unpredictable, and even the best investments can go sour. In conclusion, Bbai stock's investment potential in 2025 depends on several factors, including industry trends, company strategy, and economic conditions. While the stock faces some challenges, it also has some promising growth prospects. If you're considering investing in Bbai stock, it's essential to do your research and keep a close eye on the company's performance. What do you think about Bbai stock? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about investment strategies, be sure to check out my previous video on the topic.